Is your grow tent stinking up the place? Discover how the AC Infinity Air Filtration Kit can eliminate odors and optimize your indoor garden. The AC Infinity Air Filtration Kit 4 is a comprehensive solution for grow tents, hydroponics, and indoor gardens. It features a CLOUDLINE LITE inline fan, carbon filter, and flexible ducting. This kit ensures optimal cooling, ventilation, and odor control. This system is perfect for both hobbyists and professional growers. Let's dive into the key features and benefits that make this kit a game changer. The CLOUDLINE LITE inline fan delivers 165 CFM airflow with a low noise level of 29 dBA. Its 10-speed controller allows for customizable airflow. The mixed flow design and dual ball bearings ensure a long lifespan. The carbon filter uses 1200 plus IAV Australian virgin charcoal for superior odor blocking. A 38mm thick carbon bed and pre-filter cloth extend the filter's life. Galvanized steel mesh and aluminum flanges ensure robust construction. The kit includes 25 feet of 4-layer flexible ducting. This ducting is made of PVC thermoplastic and flame-resistant aluminum. It resists tears and leaks, ensuring efficient airflow. The complete accessory set includes duct clamps, a pre-filter cloth, rope clip hangers, and hanging straps. These accessories make setup quick and easy. The kit is also part of the UIS platform, compatible with smart controllers for automation. This kit provides silent and efficient ventilation, ideal for indoor use without disturbance. The premium carbon filter effectively eliminates odors, keeping your grow space discreet. Its user-friendly design makes installation simple for both beginners and experts. The durable materials ensure long-term reliability. The AC Infinity Kit offers superior performance compared to traditional ventilation systems. Assemble the kit by connecting the inline fan, carbon filter, and ducting. Use the included clamps and hangers for secure placement. Position the fan inside or outside your grow tent, ensuring proper airflow. Adjust the fan speed using the 10-speed controller based on your tent size and plant needs. Regularly clean the fan's motor box and replace the pre-filter to extend filter life. For automated climate management, pair with a Controller 69, sold separately. The AC Infinity Air Filtration Kit 4 is a top-tier choice for indoor gardeners. It offers efficient ventilation and odor control. Its quiet operation, durable design, and easy setup make it perfect for small to medium grow tents. Ready to eliminate odors and optimize your grow space? Click the link in the description to check the latest price and customer reviews on Amazon.